Sam. So today's video is really exciting because I'm partnering up with Tulip tie-dye to show you guys how to make these 3 awesome tie-dye designs. They're all really different and unique, and you'll probably come out with something different than mine. That's the thing I love about tie-dye, is it always looks different. Also, this is so easy to do. Basically anyone at any age could do this because of how easy it is. The particular kit I'm using is this tie-dye party kit. This can make up to 36 different creations, which I definitely believe because I haven't even used all of it and I've made so many things. I will have all the videos linked down below and in a playlist as well if you guys want to check out the other videos I did with them, because I am obsessed with all of the things I created. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this item, and this item. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below if you guys have any more requests. And if you guys recreate this, please be sure to tag me in your photos because I would love to see how they turned out. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get into it.
Okay, so for our first shirt, we are going to take a long sleeve white t-shirt and roll it up in the basic tie-dye design. And then you want to pick any color of your choice. I decided to just do one color, but you definitely can do multiple. Okay, so I put 3 rubber bands around the t-shirt and I decided not to wet it. That's totally optional, but you can if you'd like to. I just grabbed a bucket and a strainer and I grabbed my color, which is yellow. It's super fun and vibrant, and I put it on every other section of the t-shirt. After you do the front, make sure to flip it over to the back to make the color even on both sides. After you have all your colors on it, just take your shirt and put it in a plastic bag, let it sit for 8 to 12 hours, then rinse it off and wash it in the washing machine, and then you're able to wear it. Okay, so for our next shirt, I just took a basic white short sleeve t-shirt and I decided to twist this and then twist it again, as you can tell right here. After that, I put 2 rubber bands around it to create a total of 4 sections. I grabbed 4 different colors for this t-shirt just to make it a little bit more fun, and I decided to wet this one as opposed to the other one. It's just an easier way to get more color on it, but it's definitely optional. After you have all the colors on it, make sure to flip it over to the back to do the same thing. Then you just want to put the shirt in the bag again for 8 to 12 hours, rinse it off, and then wash it, and then you can wear it. For our last design, we are going to make a striped t-shirt with 2 different colors. I just took a total of 6 rubber bands, which created a total of 7 sections. After that, I just did every other section in red and then every other section in black. Also, make sure to flip it over to get the other side of the t-shirt just so it's even. Okay, so I decided not to roll this t-shirt up when I wanted to put it in a bag, so I just took 2 Ziploc baggies on both sides, and then I took another one and cut down the sides of it and put it in the middle, as you guys can see. It's kind of hard to explain, but I feel like that's the best way to do it without having the colors leak everywhere.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you guys do recreate this, please be sure to tag me because I would love to see your creations. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!
When all is your